What is electricity? Can we see electricity? What are uses of batteries and cells? Can electricity is dangerous? Who invented the first light bulb? Where does the electricity come from? Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will learn and write together science chapter of electricity. Electricity. Electricity is a form of energy. We cannot see electricity. Batteries and cells are used to store electricity. Electricity is dangerous and electric shock can kill. Thomas Edison invented the first light bulb in 1879. Electricity we use comes from power stations. Now I will read full chapter for your better understanding. Electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. Can we see electricity? We cannot see electricity. What are uses of batteries and cells? Batteries and cells are used to store electricity. Can electricity is dangerous? Electricity is dangerous and electric shock can kill. Who invented the first light bulb? Thomas Edison invented the first light bulb in 1879. Where does the electricity come from? Electricity we use comes from power stations. For more learning videos, visit Adam Online School and never stop learning. Allah Hafiz.